The CH47F possesses versatile loading options for its 50,000-pound or 22,679 kilograms gross maximum operating weight. First, the hull is equipped with a cargo on-off loading system, or COOLS for short. Since each Chinook is fit with a roller conveyor, the COOLS is capable of easily rolling on up to 4 463L master pallets. For added flexibility, assuming the crew needs to transport something that wouldn't fit inside its hull, like an industrial generator or an excavator for instance, the rotorcraft is able to sling load payloads via its hook system. There's the center hook, capable of hoisting 26,000 pounds or 11,793 kilograms. Then there's its aft hook, capable of carrying up to 17,000 pounds or 7,711 kilograms. And finally, its tandem hook, with a capacity of 25,000 pounds or 11,339 kilograms, which is why it's currently being used to support the victims of Hurricane Helene in North Carolina.